Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Fortnite is available on HUAWEI Nova 11. To do this we'll need to open an app gallery. Here in the top search find Epic Games. Install this app. When it's ready, click on the open. We'll need to perform an update. And inside there's a Fortnite. If we click on it, we can install this game, and that confirms that this device does support it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.